Hello everyone. Want to create a stunning animated 3D bird using just PowerPoint? In this step-by-step tutorial, we will show you how to design, animate and bring a realistic 3D bird to life. No additional software required. So, without wasting much time, let's get started. Start by selecting the teardrop shape from the shape menu. Drag it onto the slide. Then, right-click, choose shape format. Under size, set the height and width to 8 cm, rotate it to 45 degrees and drag the yellow dot to the right. Next, insert an oval shape setting its size to 6.5 cm by 8 cm. Duplicate this oval and resize the copies. 5.2 cm by 5.2 cm for the head. Duplicate this oval 0.8 cm by 0.8 cm for the eyes. Let's add a diamond shape 1 cm by 2 cm and a 5-point star 2.4 cm by 2.4 cm. Select rounded rectangle. Drag the yellow dot to the right and size 0.2 cm by 1.5 cm. Duplicate this oval and resize to 0.2 cm by 0.2 cm. Let's add some color for the claw and legs. Select these three and select color from shape fill, the diamond shape and change its fill to red. Make the smallest oval black for the eyes. Select them and apply a yellow color from the shape fill option. Now, let's make the bird looks realistic by applying 3D effects. Teardrop shape, go to effects, click on 3D format. From top bevel, select circle, set width and height to 80 points. Oval shape, apply bottom bevel 112 points by 112 points. Select this oval shape, apply top and bottom bevel, set width and height to use 63 point by 63 point. Select smaller oval, apply top and bottom bevel, select circle, set width and height to 11 points by 11 points. For brick, select this, select angle bevel, width 8 points and height 24 points. Select this, select circle bevel, width 12 points, height 15 points. Select this, apply top and bottom bevel, select circle bevel, width 4 points, height 4 points. For the smallest oval, set depth size to 120. For realistic touch, select these 6 shapes and select powder from material. Select metal material for the oval. Let's set the distance from the ground for the 3D perspective. Diamond shape, 225. This shape, 165. This oval shape, 265. Select smaller oval, 210. Select this, 189. For this, 115. Now, place all the shapes correctly. Select this and this using align center and align middle. Select the remaining shapes in the same way. Select this, bring to front, make duplicate and flip them vertically. Select these two shapes again and group them. Group the legs together and place them on the body. Make duplicate, group them. Select these two shapes again and group them. Now select all the other shapes and group them as well. Select both group again and group them as well. Then select 2-point lighting for a well-lit 3D effect. Shape outline, make it no outline. Select perceptive relaxed moderately and set the angles X 287, Y 61, Z 137. Then ungroup them. Now let's add a stylish background. Select gradient fill, choose preset gradient and select linear direction. Adjust color using eyedropper and positions. Select this, ungroup them, deselect this, go to size, make rotation 12. Now select this, make rotation 22 and adjust like this. Then bring to front. Group these two again, then send to back. For perfect alignment, turn on guides from the View tab. Go to Insert, click on Shape, select a rectangle 20 cm by 15 cm. Send it to the back. Set No Fill from Shape Fill and center it using the guides. Then remove the outline. After this, select the bird's body with the rectangle and group it. Now, let's animate our bird. Select the grouped bird and apply the spin animation. Click on Effect option. Set custom size to 65. Click Enter and enable Auto Reverse. Under timing, set duration to 0.5 second fast. Next, let's add a movement. Insert an oval shape. Change its color and remove the outline. Go to Effects, 3D Format, Top and Bottom Bevel. Set width and height to 12 points. Select plastic material for a glossy look. For animations, apply Fly In. Select from top under the Effect option. Go to Animation pane. First move the seat's Fly In animation upside. Set Start with previous. Duration 1 second. Delay 2 seconds. Select these. Set Start after previous. Delay 1 second. Select seats. Click on Add Animation. Add Disappear Animation. Select with previous. Delay 1.5 second. Finally, in transition, uncheck mouse click. Enable auto after 5 seconds. In slideshow setting, to make the animation seamless, set the slide to autoplay and loop continuously. And there you have it, a fully animated 3D bird created entirely in PowerPoint. You can use these techniques to create other 3D objects and bring your presentation to life. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Aksharika tutorial for more amazing PowerPoint tricks. See you in next video. Thank you.